Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to set an alarm in this device. For this, open the clock application. Okay, so here you can see some tabs. From here, you need to select the option alarm. Then tap on the option plus button to create a new alarm. Then here we need to set the time. So here you can see now the time is 7 p.m. So here I am going to set the time for 8 p.m. Tap on OK. Now you can see alarm set for less than 1 minute from here. So here you can see some options. You can customize the alarm settings. Okay, so if you want to schedule the alarm, then you can schedule for the date also. So here you can see the rundown option. You can see here. So you can see now the alarm is ringing. You can snooze the alarm, otherwise stop the alarm. So here you can customize, you can change the ringtone. If you want to enable the vibration when the alarm ringing, you can turn on this option. If you want to delete the alarm, then tap on the option delete. So simply in this way, you can create the alarm in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.